This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Drake. Discover true mountain living in this charming cabin with all wood. This beautiful rustic cabin features an open floor plan with large great room, fireplace, unvented, gas logs, kitchen, new stainless steel appliances, including refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, microwave, ample counter space, plenty of cabinets, and dining area. Continuing on the main, you will find one of the Master BRs, full bath, laundry room, spacious screened porch on the back, along with deck. Relax and enjoy the front porch as you spend time with family and friends, while experiencing the seclusion of this private setting in the cul-de-sac. Upstairs you will find the second master with ensuite and the third loft bedroom. Other features include unfinished basement stubbed for third bath and plenty of room for future expansion, termite stations, all new screws on metal roof, all paved roads, and low POA dues. Take time to view this property. For more information,